kind of try to map their career?
Yeah, I think you've got to be aware that you are not just working for the bank, you're working for yourself to a certain extent. And so your networking within the business outside of the bank is equally important. Your external interests, your industry associations, and you've got to market yourself as well. And so that's important. That is important. You've got to be relatively selfish to a certain extent. You've got to understand where the next move is going to come. You've got to keep your eyes peeled and make sure you build your industry connections. There are plenty of industry associations that you can join, whether you're working in the futures business or in investment banking, whether you're partaking in forums and these type of the WSO. Get your name out there.